Guys, so now we are going to James Bond Island and a few more islands for doing canoeing and all. Are you excited, Hamza?
Yes, I'm scared because we are going in the ocean.
Yes, he's excited as well. Let's check it out how the feel. As you can see here, left, right, everywhere there's ocean and only. So keep us with us. Weather is absolutely amazing. The ambience is quite perfect. Everywhere there's ocean and mountains surrounding it. It's quite lovely place. How do you say, Hamza? You're enjoying it?
I'm very enjoying it. But just look at the view.
Yeah, just look at the view, guys. So this is the James Bond Island. This island is famous because of the James Bond movie. As you can see, the island is very beautiful. Also, the scenery is quite good and it's a very fun experience. Here you have to take an entry ticket compulsory for visiting each island. So the entry ticket for your adults is 300 baht and for children it is 150 baht. But the experience will be good, so you have to take it. So here you have to walk up the stairs in order to see the view and to click some selfies and all. So that's we are heading up now. Let's check it out. You can see the scenery is mind blowing. Everything is like quite good over here. This is the main James Bond Island and this view is must try if you are visiting the James Bond Island. Let's see what and all they have else to find out. Come. So you have a lot of empty places like caves and all. You can go, but it's quite risky, I would say. But still, it's a fun place to explore and enjoy with family. It's a great experience. The main thing which you need to capture, one we have captured the photo on the from top side, one more from the down. It's a lovely place to capture photos and videos. They're coming quite good and amazing. Lot of sound of insects and animals, birds chirping and all. It looks like as we have come to like Pirates of Caribbean Islands and all. It's quite good. And this is the beach where we are going now. Let's check it out. So after James Bond Island, we have come now to Khao Ping Khan. This one. So this, as you can see how the mountain is, it's like the one mountain is taking support of the other one and it's mind blowing, I would say. It looks quite artificial, but it's actually the nature's beauty. Everything over here is quite perfect and beautiful. You can see the birds are chirping and all everywhere. It's a great thing. But this is quite close to the James Bond Island. So if you're coming to the James Bond Island, you can get to visit here as well, which is a lovely thing. Also, you have various these things as well to buy souvenirs and all to your friends and family members and all. Everything is already available over here itself. Now we have come inside and we can see a cave over there down, which is a unique mystery cave. So we're not gonna go inside and explore. So actually the James Bond Island and this one island and all, they both are actually very much realistic and whatever we see online is pretty much beautiful than that. As you can see, I've showed you everything. It's quite good and amazing. Beautiful scenery and all. The ocean view is mind-blowing, I would say. How was your experience, Hamza, in James Bond Island?
Good. Good and all.
Now James Bond is completed. Now we are heading to one more mysterious island. Let's check it out what the new island has to offer us. So now we are doing canoeing. So now we are going towards it. So this canoeing is costing us around 300 baht per person. So now we have to look and see how it goes. So now we are going to sit in this canoeing with these people. So now we have to see how it goes and all. Everyone.
Namaste.
Hello, this is our friend. He is driving us to do canoeing.
Yeah.
He's very good guy.
Jack Sparrow.
Jack Sparrow he is. Yeah.
Don't worry.
Now no tension, we have Jack Sparrow.
No Titanic.
Yeah, no Titanic.
No
Inshallah.
Ah, Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam,
Oh,
brother.
you Muslim?
Yes, brother.
Ah, Muslim brother.
Yes. Guys, so now we are going inside the canoeing, inside the cave. So as you can see, this is the cave where we are going. We have Adnan, Hamza as well in this. So now let's go and see, enjoy it, how it goes. Let's go! MashaAllah!
Oh, mashallah. Oh,
Guys, here you don't have any sharks.
no Titanic.
No Titanic.
Sparrow.
Yeah, he's a Jack Sparrow of this.
Ah, yeah.
It's a fun experience.
Have only baby shark, baby shark.
Yeah, only baby sharks it seems. Hamza, how you are enjoying?
Hamza, Abu Hamza.
Abu Hamza. Hamza, Shalama. Abu Hamza. Guys, so this is Samon Cape. As you can see, this looks quite beautiful.
My friend, you
Yeah.
not water, huh? Because
Okay, yeah. Correct.
Fresh water, huh?
Correct. It's not fresh water, sea water.
Sea water.
This is Samon Cape, beautiful place. Quite good and amazing place. Lovely experience. So guys, this is mangrove place where you can see a lot of mangroves present over here. Also they have walking fish as well where the fish walks it from here.
Mass keeper.
Yeah, it's a lovely place guys. Mind blowing experience and the mangroves thing, yo psych it is. Lovely. Nemat Beshak. This much was the thing, canoeing thing. That's much this will show you the two views and after that it's done. Guys देखो कितना माशाल्लाह है, ब्यूटी कितना है इधर, कितना साइलेंट है. आवाज़ तो सुना ही आ रहा होगा तुम्हें, बर्ड्स का चिपिंग कर रहे हैं सब. उधर समुंदर है. इट इज़ काइंडली नेक्स्ट लेवल गाइस. बेशक बहुत अच्छा है गाइस. ये एक्सपीरियंस नेक्स्ट लेवल है. ये एक्सपीरियंस इज नेक्स्ट लेवल है. ये अगर आना है तो करना ही है. इधर आएगा तो कनोइंग एंड ऑल गाइस, मस्ट ट्राई इट गाइस. नाउ वी हैव कम टू द मुस्लिम विलेज विच इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज द फ्लोटिंग विलेज इन थाईलैंड. So as you can see, this is the port. From here we have reached up and there you have a lot of hotels over here so you can dine in and all. Now let's check it out what they have inside and all. So now we are inside the restaurant and now we are moving forward to explore the market inside and check it out what and all they have to offer. So this thing is like basically what you can say is a floating village basically which is built on top of ocean and now we can check it out. They have started to close off their shops and all because it's time for them to leave and it's almost like around 4:30 5 o'clock over here and people have started to close their shops and all. So it's a great one experience. They have a lot of beautiful things available over there. You can buy clothes and all. They have clothes, everything over here. You want the western style clothes also are available. Everything is there. Also basically what you can do is this is the way you have to go out. If you go out, what you have to do is basically take a right from here. So now this side we have to check it out. They have different things over here. Clothes, everything is available. Also if you want pearl items as well is available over here. There's a lot of things available over here. You can enjoy it up. It all depends on your thing. If you want to buy something, you can definitely look onto it. They also have this thing, the boxing items as well available. You can have a look onto it. All the boxing items and the souvenirs can be taken from here. No. Also there's a lot of items available and all. The pearls, everything is present over there. Also, the majority market is the pearls and the clothing market over here. Okay, now let's move forward and check it out what and all they have further. I'm going, keep on going and straight I'm going and should see what and all is left to have a look onto it here. There's one more shop over here. You can get good items over here as well. Assalamu alaikum. This whole village is completely Muslim and you can get halal meat over here. There's no beer, wine, nothing over alcohol over here. Everything over here is halal completely. If you want rooms, you can get rooms as well over here. There's a lot of hotels as you can see here as well. all the shopping things. I think it's been shown. There's some more thing which I have to go further. Also, you have here, if you're a fish guy or something, you have the dry fishes available as well over here. You have the dry fishes. You can look onto this and all. There are dry fishes over there which you can buy as well. Also, there are a lot of fish items over there front as well. I think I've showed you majority of what is present over here. You can actually come here for a short time, but don't spend a lot of time over here because too much time is also not required. Just you can spend hardly 10 to 20 minutes or just come here for a lunch or quick walk and then you can move on. That's it. I think this is a short vlog for Muslim village, which is also called as the floating village. I think that's it, guys. Have a great day. Bye. Guys, this was the floating village and we have done our dining as well. Now we are heading back to home. So now that's all. Keep watching me and keep subscribing for more such videos about Thailand. Okay, see you. Bye bye. Guys, this is the monkey island where you can find monkeys over there. There are a lot of monkeys, but unluckily due to rain we are not able to find any monkeys.